In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a profile on MetaTrader 5. If you're looking to declutter your trading setup or just streamline the profiles you actively use, you'll find this guide particularly helpful. MetaTrader 5 offers powerful tools for both beginners and advanced traders, but sometimes managing multiple profiles can become cumbersome. Removing unnecessary profiles can help you focus better on what's important to you and make your trading experience more efficient. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to make sure that your MetaTrader 5 is open and you are logged into your account. Once you have your platform running, look towards the top left corner of the interface. There, you will see a menu option labeled File. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these menu options as they offer a range of functionalities beyond just removing profiles. Now, in the drop-down menu you just opened, you should notice an option labeled Profiles. Hover over this option and you'll find another list appearing to the right. This list will include all the profiles you have created or are currently using. The key step here is to locate and click on Remove. This option is specifically designed to help you manage and clean up any profiles you no longer need. Clicking on Remove won't immediately delete a profile. Instead, it will prompt you to select which profile you wish to remove. At this stage, you will see another list where all your profiles are displayed. This is where you should carefully select the profile you wish to delete. If you aren't sure which profiles you no longer need, take a moment to review each one before proceeding. Deleting a profile that you might need later could result in lost settings or data, so it's important to be certain before confirming the removal. After you've selected the appropriate profile, confirm your choice and proceed with the removal. Once a profile is deleted, it's a good practice to double-check by accessing your Profiles menu again to ensure that the desired profile has been successfully removed. This step also helps you verify that there are no unintended changes to the remaining profiles. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove a profile from MetaTrader 5. This simple yet effective technique can help maintain a clutter-free environment on your trading platform, making it easier to focus on your trading strategies without unnecessary distractions. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more useful guides to optimize your trading experience. Happy trading and see you in the next video.